Hey pool owners, this is Rob with Inyo Pools. Today we're going to show you how and why you would use skimmer socks. So yesterday my wife decided to brush our Chocolate Lab on the pool deck, and I hope you can see, but there's a bunch of hair now floating on the surface of the pool. And so I don't want all this running through my system and possibly clogging up my impeller. So this kind of stuff would bypass your skimmer basket. So what we'll do is use some skimmer socks to help catch this. It's also good to catch grass clippings, dust, anything fine, little bugs that float on the surface. Skimmer socks are a great option. Help keep your system clean. So I've got these little filter savers. They're almost like nylon stockings. So you just take one of those, take your skimmer basket. I'm going to go ahead and remove this little metal rod. Okay. And then put it back in the skimmer. Right now my pump is off, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And the pump's going to go ahead and kick on. And we'll let this run for a couple hours, and I'll come back and show you what the skimmer sock could catch. Alright, so I let the system run for a couple hours. There's nothing left on the surface. All the dog hair is gone. I don't really see anything left. So we'll go ahead and see what the skimmer sock caught. Remove the lid here. Alright, and you can see this thing has caught a lot. It's got all the dog hair in here, grass clippings, bugs, all this little tiny stuff that might have gotten through the skimmer basket or pump basket into your impeller, or into your filter, or even bypassing filter coming back to the pool. So it's caught all this stuff. So it did a really good job. So if you got dogs that are swimming in the pool regularly, the skimmer sock would be a great idea to add to the pool. If you have any questions about this or anything else pool related, leave a comment down below or visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.